Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to learn how to be able to make a logo for your business. So maybe you have a small business or even a big business, but you want to you want a logo to represent your brand. In this video we are going to learn very simple steps to be able to make a very nice and beautiful logo that represents your brand. So we're going to use an online tool to be able to help us to create this logo. We're not going to use Photoshop or any other design tool. No, it's just an online thing to be able to help us to create this logo. So I'm not going to talk much. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so from your browser just type in Kitech digital.com/logo maker. Now hit enter. You'll be redirected to this place over here. Okay, so this is the tool that we're going to use to make our logo. Now of course you need to sign up. Okay, but if you don't want to sign up, don't worry, just click on make free logo over here. So click on make free logo, make a free logo, and then the logo maker tool will open for you. Okay, so that is what we're going to use to create our logo. Now as you can see, we have a lot of options to choose from. Now this place is for you to choose your template, and the template shows over here. So these are over 1,000 popular logos to choose from. Okay, so you can search for the kind of templates that you want, and then based on the template you build on it. So I'm going to search for photography because I want a logo for photography business or website that I'm creating. So as you can see over here, there are a lot of photography logos to choose from. Okay, you just need to edit it and then insert your name or your company name over there. Okay, so let's go through and then choose the one that we want. And then the amazing thing is, if all of these ones you don't want it, now it's still loading. Okay, so if all of these ones you don't want it, now when you hover on it, you realize that we have customize and we have similar. So click on the similar. It will give you different similar ones. Okay, that is based on photography. So based on it you can choose the ones that you want. Now I want this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on customize. Okay, so this is the logo that I chose. Okay, this one is the logo that I chose. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it the way I like it. Okay, so first I'm going to double click on it. Okay, just double click on it and then delete this one. You can delete the double click on it and delete it, and then I'm going to type in my name, which is Kitech, or my business name, Kitech, and then over here I'm going to write photos. Okay, so Kitech photos over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the colors. Okay, I'm going to change the colors to the ones I want. Okay, so you can play around it. Now you can change the text. You can change the text to any text that you want. Okay, you can change the colors of this one, and even you can change the icons or whatever it is over here. Okay, and replace it with a different shape, and you can even change the background. Okay, so this logo maker is very amazing and helps you to build your logo in a fast way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the text typography format over here. So I'm going to change and give it a different typography. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set through, and then the ones that I like, I choose it. Okay, so let me see this one. Okay, so I want this one over here. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, but I don't want it to be all caps, so I'm going to remove this all caps from here, and then this one also I'm gonna select it, and then change the typography. I'll go for handwriting, and then I'm gonna look through and choose the one. Okay, so I like this one over here. Yeah, very good. Now as you can see, I don't want it all caps, so I'm going to remove the caps from it. Okay, so basically that is it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give it some kind of arrangement the way I want it, because I want it to be in the same line. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the same line. Now I'm going to shift this one to this place. Okay, and then hold shift, and then select the two of them, and then drag them to be in line like this. Okay, yeah, and then I can also click this one, and then resize the size a little bit. Okay, so that it wouldn't be that big for the text. Okay, very good. So basically it is everything is working the way I want it. Okay, yeah. Now that I have my logo, the text and everything the way I want it, what I need to do is I need to change some few colors. Okay, so I don't want the red color for this one. Okay, maybe I just want all white, and then a different background. Okay, and then also the size too. You see there's space over here, there's space over here, so I want to delete all those spaces over there. So first let's get rid of the spaces. Okay, now before we even get rid of the space, let me design two types of the logo. Now the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to select these two of them, and then bring this one over here, select this one, and then make it on top of this one. Okay, very good. Select these two, and then bring it over here. Yeah, so that the position will be great. Okay, so I like it this way. Yeah, okay, now I'm going to resize it a little bit. So this one and this one, I'm going to increase the size a little bit, so I'm going to resize it, make it a little bit big. Okay, so I just hold shift and select the two of them, and then resize. I will drag them to resize. Okay, so just make it a little bit big. Yeah, so I think this is okay. Yes, yeah, this is okay. I want this line to touch the P over there, and that is it. So basically I am through with it. Now let me position all of them in the middle. So let me position all of them in the middle, and then we have a beautiful logo design. Now I want to change the colors also. Okay, so with the colors, what I'm going to do is I don't want the background to be white. I want the background to be a different color. So I'm going to go over here and select background over here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a different background for it. So I want this gradient color over here. Okay, so I choose this gradient color. Now I change all the colors to white. So I select this one, and then come over here. If you see a color picker over here, I change this one to white. The same way I change this one to also white. The same thing, I do the same thing to this one. I select this one, and then I pick the color, I change it to white. I select this one, I pick the color, and then I change it to white. So basically I have my logo set and ready to go. So to download this logo, all what I need to do is to click on download over here. Now it will tell you to register, because you haven't registered, or if you have registered, you just go ahead to download the logo for free. Now of course there are premium versions of it, because if you want a transparent background, you need what, the premium version. Okay, so you can go ahead now. You pay only what, 24.99 USD one-time payment, and then you can use the website to create amazing amazing logos the way you want it. But I don't want to go over there. I just want to download this one. Okay, now this one gives you a low resolution. I don't care about it. I just want the logo. When I'm ready for it, I just come. So I just click on download, and then they'll tell you to register. Okay, so I will just register with my Gmail, or sign in with my Gmail. I'm just going to use this one to sign in. Okay, very good. So our download is ready. So all what I need to do is to click on this green button over here, download, and agree. At the moment I click on it, it will start downloading for me. Okay, so as you see, the download is complete, and our logo is about to get ready for us to use. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So this is the logo. Let's open it, and now we have two file formats. Okay, one is PNG and one is JPG. Okay, so when you open it, this is how it looks like. This is your logo over there. Okay, you can use this logo to do anything you want. Okay, and that is how you can be able to create an amazing logo. Now let's go back again, and then let's say this one is too big for you. You want to resize it. Okay, so now if you look over here, okay, you can click over here and then change the size. So let's say I want to change it to let's say 440, and then 120. Okay, and then I'll hit apply. Now, as you can see, the size has changed for me. So all what I need to do is to shrink this one a little bit. Yeah, shrink this ones too a little bit. Let me highlight all of them, and then I shrink it a little bit. Okay, now I want to position this one here. Okay, and then pick this one also and position it this way. So I'll pick this one, bring it here, and then I'll pick this one and I'll position it here. Okay, now as you can see, all what I need to do is make sure that my logo is in alignment. Okay, the center is everything is working so perfectly. So now I have another logo I can use on my website or anywhere that I want to use. So I just need to just click on download over here also, and then click on this download link over here, and then I can download the logo and use it for free. So guys, this is how you can be able to create a free logo on this amazing website. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and check this website out. Okay, it is very, very amazing. Check it out. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.